I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability. Siding contractors, your work is crucial to protecting and beautifying buildings, but it comes with risks that can affect your business. In this video, I'll explain how siding insurance can shield your business from the unexpected, keeping your projects on track and your finances secure. Siding installation poses unique challenges, such as material damage. Outdoor elements like storms can ruin materials before installation. Insurance covers repair or replacement costs. Property damage. Installing siding near existing structures can lead to accidental damages, such as harming of landscapes or walls. Injuries on the job. Handling heavy tools and materials increases the risk of workplace injuries. Workers' compensation ensures medical bills and lost wages are covered for your employees. With the right insurance, you can focus on completing projects without worrying about financial setbacks. Here's what siding insurance includes. General liability insurance, which protects against third-party property damage and injury. Workers' compensation covers employees' medical expenses and lost wages due to workplace injuries. Equipment coverage, which protects tools and machineries from theft or damage. Builder's risk insurance ensures projects protection from theft, vandalism, or weather-related incidents. Custom policies. Tailored options to address unique risks like falling debris or advertising liabilities. Investing in siding insurance provides affordable rates. Coverage starts at around $2,500 to $4,000 annually. Quick claims processing. Minimize downtime and get back to work fast. Flexible payment options. Monthly, quarterly, or annual payment plans to fit your budget. Regulatory compliance ensures your business meets local and state requirements. Protecting your siding business is essential for long-term success. So don't wait for an incident to disrupt your work. Secure coverage today. Visit contractorsliability.com or give us a call at the number on your screen for a free quote. Let's help you keep your business secure and your projects running smoothly.